Hello. We are back. Sitting on the cushion. Ow. And we are going to be doing some more machine learning with cats. Right, so we are working our way through the epochs. We're into the first victories one. So we will continue. So yeah, we've gotten a couple of silvers. Don't quite understand the genetic algorithm or the car driving stuff, but hey, we've got through some of that. We failed some startups, we cashed out some startups. Yeah, I think there was one down here that we were trying to do and just went, no, it's too much at the particular point in time. Hi, Dan. How's it going? So we've got the genetic solver at a 9%, which will split colours. This is for a startup, so ideally you want to keep the cost down. So it's a 9% accuracy on the colours, so we'll start with that, and then we can sift. What do we want? So we've got two things that want reds, red triangles. This one just wants all triangles. So I guess, you know. Is this the best way to do it? I don't know, actually. Sorry. Hi, Targan. And also hi, Dan and Milo. Did I say hi, Dan and Milo? I said it in my head. My brain is dead. Pretty much. Can we connect two things up? No. Okay. So if we sift red, and then we add a load balancer. Red triangles. I need to zoom out. At least I'm not imagining things. That's great. How are you, Dan? Yes, and how are you, Target? Me, myself, and I am tired. Unsurprisingly. Okay, so then everything else we will sift red thingies up here and squares there. Okay, so green wants to shift squares. And then we'll shift squares here and here. And then we'll shift else triangle. Green triangle. And else goes in the trash can. Nice and sunny, and you just had a nice walkies. You met a puppy that could literally sit on your palm. That is a small puppy. That is very much a small puppy. Okay, so then we're going to sift blue triangle. Oops. Need to move that to there. And then blue triangle is kind of low bounce. And then the else is a circle. So okay, this is really messy, but I don't care. Blue circle here. And else to the trash can. Test run. Forgotten how much I invested, but it should give me 100% accuracy at 8.88 euros per second. That's probably not great. But we'll release it. So I forget how much we put in there. Investment 2,000, okay. Ooh. It's costing us 400 odd a day. Nice. Yeah. Yeah, we went bankrupt. Yeah, that happens. Haven't quite got figured out the... I'll be honest, I haven't quite figured out all of that. Anyway, let's go back to the tree. I don't think it really cares about whether we pass those or not. And if it does, well then we'll just have to, you know, look at something later. Anyway, photo passing for a construction company. Windows proof check our design for potential mistakes. We can do that. They just want green squares. But is this going to be fast enough is the question. No is the answer. Will it be fast enough? I'm not doing bronze. Bronze is like Okay, so we only have a decision tree on shape. Really? Or the isolation forest. It's good, it's just not good enough. But as the accuracy is, you know, there's only 2 squares that aren't. And a couple of circles. That is like much faster on the decisioning. There's two squares and like 5 circles. For the 10 we need. So there we go. Release the gold. So yes, how's everyone's long weekend going if you have a long weekend, because it is Easter and some places do that. I don't particularly, you know, celebrate Easter, though I did have a cream egg. I'm enjoying the long weekend, I have to admit, because I am exhausted. Yesterday was okay. I was more awake in the morning, and then I, you know, was just back to feeling shit again. It's starting to get very frustrating. Okay, let's do fruits and vegetables. We are the Plants and Colour Company. We are growing a variety of plants different to the distant countries. The conveyor selects fruits at different stages of ripeness based on a customer's location. This method allows us to bring products of required maturity and freshness. We want to improve the pipeline by using an algorithm that will determine the degrees of fruit ripeness before they're collected. Cool. Okay. So if we split, how can we have 5? Okay, so any blue, any green. We want a decent accuracy. Okay, so we probably want to add a trash can in here. Right, so then green, we need to... Or does it matter? I'll get half of them. Cool. Try not to overthink it. New generation NVD. Our lab, RGB Vision, is engaged in development of high-tech optics, and right now we're working on next-gen night vision devices. We can introduce a new color filtering feature into our devices. We need to teach our processors to define and distribute colors according to certain criteria. Would you help us with this? Sure. So we need 30 in the middle. Okay, so we can filter. That is exactly 30 red. Okay, so then we want 28 at the bottom, so it's exactly 30 red, but it'll also get half the blues. So maybe what we do is we give it all the red. In the middle, then we don't have to do anything fancy. Oh, I have no idea, Dan, if I'm even doing it. Okay. Green. Square. So we've got two Elsas going through. And then we just need to put it through this. Yeah, I enjoyed not having to do the challenge. Wait, okay, square up there. Trash the triangles. Alright, let's test run. Because I'm not entirely sure how accurate that was. Or whether it's enough going down to the bottom. The isolation forest is too slow. What did you say? Right, just filter the greens, then put the blues down to this. Okay. No, we're gonna edit the schema. Yeah, I don't know if I want to do more challenges, if now that I've broken the cycle I'm just you know, leaving it at that. Oops, did not mean to exit. I was trying to deselect and hit the wrong button. Ha! Funny. Funny man. Candy production. Oh, I didn't actually read that. Let me go back and read the email. Hey there, I run a small confectionery business called Num Num's Candy. Candy Num. The demand for our sweets has been booming lately, but all our candies are handmade. Needless to say, we're running behind schedule and desperately need to optimize our production. We have a conveyor that'll hopefully help us packing the goods, but it needs to be trained to distinguish sweets by kind. Okay. Hey, Nikki. Okay, so we want to split that one quite easily. So, triangles, then want to be... Open the bin. There we go. This is circles. Okay, hold on. We want blue. And that. Green. Okay, so circles. Red, green circles down here, red and blue to here. Okay, triangles. We're splitting out red. We're losing a couple of greens, but we'll deal with that. That's fine. Greens need to go. Greens are okay. We want blues to be here. Reds in the trash can and half the greens. That should be fine. So then we need squares. So triangles. Triangle at the top because then it's easier to flip through. Triangle go into that one. And then squares. Oops. Triangle goes into that one, and then squares. Green. Blue. Okay, let's do a test run because I think I've missed a filter and there's some circles going kaplooey somewhere, but well, April would mark, if I get 25 again, 3 25s in a row, and I'm just sad I don't get to add another phrase. But that's fine. I can't really think of anything to add, so mostly I'm just like, I'm pleased that the gauntlet mode is working for me. Yes, we have something going into the bottom that's not supposed to go into the bottom. And something going into the top that's not supposed to be in the. Okay, so we've still got like 5 more we can put in there. No, it's honestly, Tarragon, I can't think of anything. So it's quite good that I don't have that pressure. Okay, so this one only has circles and triangles. The circles are split. Red going in here. Green going down there and blue going in there. So that's great. The triangles are then split. Red, blue. We're ditching the reds, which means we'll ditch half the greens. That's fine. The blues go in there. Okay, so that one's fine. This one, triangles are doing the same. And the squares. Okay, we've got the green circles. So it's the squares that are going wonky. So the red squares are going up here with some blue. Ah, because there'll be some circles. So we need to add a circle filter. Oops. Right. Okay, so triangles are going up here. That's fine. There's some circles going up here, right? So maybe the triangle needs to go through that, actually. That should fix that. Okay, so then the squares are also going to get some circles. Okay, so then put the squares through this. The circles through that. Then we do a test run. Why is my chat there? Okay. But it's just a case of is it quick enough and is it accurate? Evidently, I'm not muted on the computer. No, it's too freaking slow. Really slow. Really, really slow. You know what? Let's just start again. Can we use an isolation forest? Should we use an isolation forest? Will that make it easier? Okay. If you are a green circle, go down here. No. It's just red. Okay, so. Okay. But is that better than doing two filtery things? No, it really isn't. But if we don't filter out the blues, then it's just really bad. Green circles go down here. Or trash ink. Red triangles. Yeah. That's better. Okay, so triangle. Okay, circle fades into... No, we need to pull out squares somewhere. It's just too slow. And there's an accuracy issue somewhere. Ah! Alright, you know what? Let's buy that, which is not going to help us particularly with the accuracy. We'll just leave that one. Mr. Cat's School. Online learning. Best courses. Okay, sure. 3,000. Okay, so start off with the balancing. So those are expensive. This doesn't have to be fast, it just has to be accurate. Okay, so let us grab a trash can. So sift out all the triangles. Triangles are bad. Okay, we need to split circles and squares. So then we're going to sift green squares into the trash can. Right, blue. Makes more sense. So then we've got circles. Right, while this is testing, I'm just going to... Okay, so that is quite... It's the smallest cost per whatever that I can do, and that seems to be accurate. So we will release that. Just seems to be losing money, so that's always good. I'm just gonna cash out. We lost some money, but, you know, it's better than it failing again. Us losing all the money. Okay, so the candy production was making my head hurt. Traffic optimization. Repairing the road surface. We need a pathfinding. Deep news. Math, data, representation. Main axis of a fish. In many cases, data is represented by obvious parameters: gender, age, salary, distance to nearest fridge in meters. This kind of data is suitable for any human being. Perhaps you're already familiar with the concept of correlation, which is also a fairly good parameter for analysis. People skilled in using simple mathematical dependencies are called analysts. Truly hardcore mathematicians go even deeper and describe data with distribution, or even, oh boy, conditional probability distributions. Those principles cannot be explained without whiteboard and a math degree. This is where machine learning steps in, and sometimes algorithms are capable of finding dependencies that couldn't even be imagined by the brightest human mathematicians. Okay. I feel like I need my genetic what's it for that one, but hey. This is whether it'll be quick enough. We should be able to duplicate it and put in a balancer. Just gonna rerun these to see if they'll get me anything better than a silver, because I increased my nodes by whatever it was, 10%. I don't know how far off the thing was. No. Not with that one. This one might. Might not. Oh, yes! Got me a gold. Nice. Some of them are like just really close. bottom one fill up in the next 6 seconds. Yes! You see, 5 people have finished this. Oh, excellent. That's always good. You keep accidentally buying other games. I mean, fair enough. Alright, let's just go from the bottom. Check 4 silvers. Okay, and anything's not a gold. That one we cashed out with a profit. We have not managed to... Oh, and that one we cashed out with a profit. And failed. That one we cashed out at a loss. Don't necessarily understand what we need to do with the startup stuff to, like, maintain things. So I think that one we didn't try again, did we? No, let's try this one. You finally bought Weeping Willow because you still don't know how it ended. Weeping Willow. Didn't I play that one for like UHH or something? Yeah, this one's still a silver. Okay, so we've still got 2 silvers. That's fine. One that just was failing miserably. Alright, classified mail. Contents of this message are classified by the FBI. We received information that someone has created a facial recognition for the KGB. Now our agents are facing certain difficulties. We need you to create a system that can surpass the KGB. I mean... I'm fairly certain it was UHH. Oh no, that was a different... That was in May last year. Different game. Was thinking of something else. Weeping Willow. Oh yeah, Weeping Willow. I remember that one. No, that was a promo one. Sorry, I had it mixed up with another one that had a similar thing that I did do for UHH. Okay. Yes. No, I remember it now. Okay, so the easiest way for me to do this is 2 isolation forests. 2 isolation forests. But I don't know whether that is going to be quick enough. Oops. Yeah, that was an odd game. But hey, if my stream made you buy it, then hey, I won. This is very slow. But we knew this was going to be slow. Is there a better way of doing it? I'm also making you... I mean, to be fair, I stream so that people will buy the games that I stream. Sometimes I will do the whole shebang, but it might take me a while. One of my cats fell over. My cat pictures. Should pick that up when I'm in there. default rhythm sprout because Jesse influenced you more. I mean, heck, you're buying games, it's great. Yeah, this is not happening. Okay, so one thing would be to load balance and duplicate. We could do that. Still don't think it's going to be fast enough. Okay, so we're just looking for enough accuracy. So we could just do red circle. Blue triangle. See what that is. Well, the thing is, well, bad up there. Accuracy. Look at that accuracy. Yep. Maybe it was whispering something or others that I streamed for UHH. It was like a little... Well, maybe I didn't stream it. I know I played it for UHH. Anyway. Nope, I'm thinking this is not sufficient. Right, okay. I do really like the isolation forest though. Accurate. Is it first? Enough. Really? The blue triangles are getting held up. Let's release it on a silver. I feel like that one would probably speed up with time. And not great. Okay, Visa, Center of Krakosia. Krakosia! I feel like that's a movie with Tom Hanks. The Terminal. I think that was Krakosia. This is the Visa Center of Krakosia. Sadly, your visa is not ready yet. However, the background you mentioned in your application form made us want you to offer you a job opportunity. We'll improve the efficiency of our center. An algorithm that could sort applications by the marks and then would do the trick. With it done through my machine, anyone could buy a visa in a matter of minutes instead of spending half a day at the visa center. Okay. All the squares just go here. And the triangles. Go here. And then the circles. Anyone playing anything interesting right now? Okay, another silver. Adult Champions, Puzzle Quest 3 and Potato. Ah, cool. Oh, we got an accuracy. Well, to be fair, it's a mess, so I'm not surprised. Oh. Because something went wrong with this. It was supposed to be a red triangle. No, something's still going wrong. You're feeling uninspired. I'm sorry to hear that. Random stuff in Assassin's Creed, obviously. Ah, God, yeah. I mean, I could do... I'm doing random stuff in the Star Wars Skywalker thing. Just because I've finished all the story levels and it's now collect the 1,200 bricks in the freaking galaxy. So I'm just, while I've not got any random to do left, just plodding through collecting them, and when I get bored of one place I move on to another because I'm not finishing them, but I'm getting it, you know, closer. Ah, yeah, retouring. I think Jessie and I are looking at that as maybe a co-stream at some point. All right, what have I wonked up? This has got some triangles. That's what's wonked up. Wait, actually, that triangle could go into there. There we go. Speed it a little bit. Oh, I mean, that is a shame. But I can understand. There have been definitely periods where I've been like, I just don't feel like gaming. My million's coming up at some point. We are 965. You can't see. You can see that. It's not behind my thing. I think now we've got the accuracy down. This is going to be a silver. Nope, this is going to be a bronze. Yeah. I'm just going to release it. Police technology. Yeah, there is no real point. It's just whether you enjoy it or not. If you're not enjoying it, then there's definitely no point. If you are enjoying it, then maybe there is something. Oh, mail from the Lottery Commission. Registered. We've won. Take cash. Oh, and I got a bloop for that. Read me, reader. Read all personal mail. Cool. And I got monies. Alright, police technology. Okay, I'm not going to press any charges, so we could use your help. Picture recognition, quality of pictures, stuck. Color restoration. Can you help us out? Oh, I really hate it when it's like colors and thingies are split. Chivo! I know, right? Okay, so I think... No, wait. Let's get the thing in first. What have we got? What have we got? What have we got? Okay, so circles and right, okay. So we don't need to discard, we need to discard some coloured squares. And we've got 100% accuracy on this one. Chivo! I mean, I do like the Chivo noise. So, yeah, we've got to discard 25 things. Triangles go down here. Circles are sort of split. We need 55 at the bottom. 30 of which could be a green square. I mean, if we split circles and triangles, we're going to need to duplicate some and balance it. But let's just get a working thing first. So, circles and triangles. Maybe do circles and squares. Oh, I don't know. Let's just deal with circles first. So let's say red circles go up here, blue circles go here. So it's 25 of each of those. That's fine. Okay, so then squares. Let's put green squares down here and trash the rest. This is oversimplified and is not 100% accurate, but let's just run that and see what it gets, and I'll be right. Oh, terrible occupancy. We ran out of time and bad accuracy. So, yeah, that is not. Let's start again. Okay. All right. Zoom out. Okay. So. Circles with some squares. So if we pull out circles, squares. Okay, so circles. Let's just do red, blue. Triangles. Right. Triangles, squares. So triangles, again, red, blue. Okay, so blue triangles give us 20. We need 5 of something else. Okay, so that one's getting red triangles, 15, and blue circles. That's way more than it needs. So could we split the blue circles so they go up there? Or how about if we put the blue circles up there? And the red circles down here, but then what goes there? Red triangles, which is not enough. We do need to split the blue. So let's maths this. Blue goes half here and half there. Okay, so then that gives us half the blue circles, which is not quite that. We get half the red ones as well. Give us about 25 at the top. And there. Okay. So then we just need to deal with squares. Green. Okay, so red here, trash can. Filter again. Green. Oops, come on. Right, and we could also copy that whole thing and load balance it as well. We want to see if this is accurate before we make it faster. I really wish there was a fast forward. Ah, there is a fast forward. Discovered the fast forward. Okay. Accuracy, just not quite fast enough, but accuracy. So now if we zoom out even, we can't zoom out even more. Okay. Alright, just stick in load balancer. Do never try and detangle this mess. Oh my god, it's going to be so much easier now I've got to fast forward. I did 3 times speed. I think it's going to get us a silver, but... Nope, we ran out of time still. That is frustrating. I'm going to save that because I think that's a pretty good thing. We just can't quite use it yet. We need something. Okay, so we've got 2 that are just sort of abandoned. Right, fast data sorting. We've got a lot of money as well, which is nice. Aggregates data, geomagnetic researchers. We need to process the data. Okay, sure. Oh. Really? Really? Really do with some... RGB sorts. Do we have a triangle, circle, square? Yeah, and we've gone over on the nodes. Let's not try and do that because, yeah, macros. Okay, obviously the easiest way is 3 of these and then a trash can. But it is not going to be pleasant. Be fast. Oops. Green square. Not going to be accurate either. Okay. It's not too bad. Doesn't say it had to be cheap. Okay, we got a gold. Excellent. Soap making. Soap making startup, helping on the official unofficial competition to determine the best porters. We need a program who write an argument with them. Decide who we compete with based on their weight and physical traits. Okay, this is just random, but sure. Okay. Okay, well, we're going to do a balancer. And on this one, we're going to do circle and square. Just split it evenly. And this one, we're going to sift out circles. No, we're going to plonk circles down to there. Okay. And then we're going to wait, no, we don't want to do that. This side we're going to do circle. Do we have to do all outputs? Probably should do all outputs. Okay, it's making income. How much did we put into this? $4,000. Okay, well we can already cash out more than that. Bloody hell. Right, this is doing pretty well. Okay, so we need to watch the hype. When it starts dropping off, we cash out. 57, 6. $79, $75. Okay. Okay, so the hype's dropping off. But we can cash out 27. That was a lot of money. Nice. Right. Excellent. Okay, data transfer speed. And more stuff. Excellent. Oh, we could look. Except that if I buy that one, that's an easy achievement thingy. Okay, that is a lot of money for a figurine. Let's buy a science poster. That one did really well, soap making. I don't know what we were doing really, but sure. So now if it's faster... Do we have any other samples down here? If it's faster and it's got better processing, can we gain little... Oops. Nope, not quite yet. I'm so glad I found the fast forward. Sometimes it's tedious watching these things. Again, that's not faster. Okay. Depends whether they were real close on the medal or well off. Now that one needs a little bit of thing before it'll be better. This one's not going to be any faster either. Okie dokes. Is it enough to get this one through? No, not quite. Did we get anywhere with this one? No, we've got an accuracy issue still. Which I just can't be bothered to unpick at this point. Let's look at this high-tech hair. Okay. Team Motors, famous for our high-tech car. Right, read that wrong. Parts, production rates, okay. 4,000, okay, let's see. Oh, my head just hurts looking at this. Yeah, let's just filter everything through one isolation forest. That would be a really good idea. That is not 100% accuracy. It doesn't tell me. Yeah, I'm just gonna scrape that. No, I just don't like that particular thing right now. Can't Maybe this is not a good thing to play today. Let's just watch a video. Okay, we need more cats to collect data. You up for a party? It's a cat party. Cat's been detected. Base cat emotion. Improved cat recognition. One small step. And we completed the ebook. First victory. Skull. Recognize complex emotions, sarcasm and such. Now we get to recognize cat speech. Okay, now we've got perceptrons. Animal speech recognition. How to. Gotta admit, Dr. Coda's probably right. This genetic algorithm's too clumsy, especially now when I'm starting to work with speech recognition. Hey, come on, you haven't even waited for a year. Have some respect towards the natural selection, why don't you? Yeah, they've made a lot of improvements to perceptrons since Old Man Rosenblatt was around. Now they tend to join multiple perceptrons in big bad neural networks. Something like that could work for you. But don't forget gradient descent. It's like a life coach for your neurons. Help to keep them on the right track. Are we going to have to train more cars? Because I did not understand what I was doing there. Okay, maintain accuracy levels. In certain tests with perceptrons, you need to keep the accuracy of your data above the required level while the timer is filling. If it actually drops, the timer will reset on your given test run. Okay, in the game, while in training mode, the perceptron reduces the amount of errors trying to predict the shape of the elements. In test run, the perceptron only predicts shapes. Okay. In the real world, unlike Rosenblatt's perceptron, present-day perceptrons can predict more complex, non-linear dependencies. Most common functions inside the perceptrons are Tarn, Relu, and Sigmoid. Perceptrons are basic elements of each neural network. Okay. Gradient descent. Each element in the game has a small error fix value. This node increases this value. Node doesn't work in test run. Huh? Gradient descent was one of the basic algorithms in train models, not only neural networks. Gradient descent calculates gradient of all objects and steps closer to the target answer for the task. Takes a lot of time. Okay. Okay. Woohoo! Got a gold. Gradient descent life coach for neural networks. Okay. Okay, I just need a quick break. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. Right, we are going to do classification of viruses. Strange virus is killing people in Procyon City. We can't understand what type of virus is doing that. Please help. Okay, that's just... Okay, we've got a perceptron for colour. And test run, it only predicts colours. Okay, so then we've got the Tar, Relu, and Sigmoid thing here. So we'll... Okay, we only want one node, so let's train this to see if we can get a nice 9%. No, do we need to pull it through error reduction? Did it say it only worked in training mode? Ah, yeah. Please. The earlier ones are always easier. Another node. Stop gradient descent. Approximate. Okay, well, we'll buy it anyway because that's the last node. See it all to learn it all. What? Buy these. That didn't pop though. That's good because that means there's still a chance. Angry tomato. We've got to get that just because it's called an angry tomato. So, is this faster? Nope. No. Nope. We're gonna try it. Really. Oh, that one wasn't accurate, was it? I haven't got the brain to rework it. Okay, so perfect photo. Phony cameras, photographer, program kit was color chip. Recognize colors and improve rendition. Okay. And we have a stock grad descent. Oh no, this is the stochastic grid. This is the one we bought. Each element is small error fixed value. This node doubles the value. Use it wisely. Why would we double the fix? I don't know. It's algorithm upgrade of basic gradient descent. Calculates grade and it works fast, but it may increase the amount of errors. Used with a regular one. Okay, so what happens if we do this? And this then. The subtitron. I realize I'm just bumping this up. Doesn't really make it any more difference. Okay, so it makes more sense for the blues. here. The reds to go down here. And then there's a decision tree on this, whereby we do that. Why did that suddenly fail? Okay. We don't have any other things unless we can use a... the other trained thing. I don't understand what this is doing. Yeah, I don't know what that wants from me, I'll be honest. LED scoreboards, quality assurance. Okay. Oh, God. I'll be honest. They don't seem to give me the right nodes for these things, but... For now, I'm just going to train it. Okay. Filter it by color. And then we want the green to split the triangles. I'll do that. I don't know what the speed thing is. I was obviously missed what that... Oops. Missed what that was doing. And then red. Split the triangles. blue, we just need the squares. And a trash can? No, trash can's gonna muck everything up. Will that work if it just gets stalled? Again, I don't know what it wants with this thing. That's accuracy. But why have I suddenly got time? Oh, I didn't see what that said. Why have I suddenly got time and not number? Is it? It's got to hit the right accuracy in less than that time on all of them? Wait. Did it do a thing? Alright, action, time. Accuracy timer? Okay. Doesn't really help. I want to reset all the tutorials, but I feel like I need the tutorial that was explaining what the flip it's asking me to do then. All problems. Okay. Launch control, lost aircraft. Deep neural network. So neural networks solve the so-called XOR problem, an unsolvable problem for Rosenblatt's perceptron. They have one hidden layer between the input and the output layers. Such layers are called non-deep. Networks are called non-deep. The network has more than one hidden layer, it's called deep. The deeper the network, the more complex dependencies it's able to recognize. For example, the current image recognition networks include several thousand hidden layers. Amazing, isn't it? I really don't see the one where I can't just keep just giving me the pre-trained thing. Do I have to maintain accuracy for 50 seconds? That might be better. That's not going to work. Okay. Because we've got 9%, okay. Okay, so it's got to maintain 97% accuracy for that many number of seconds. Right, okay, that makes sense. In the sense that it makes sense, but it doesn't make sense in the sense that it wasn't making sense. Yep. Yep, that makes sense. Okay. And that's all the hardware we can get. So we've purchased all the nodes and all the hardware. So if we can't get a gold with what we've got the wrong solution. So we go back So, we need to do better. Yeah, we see that one has 9%, so if we can't get it with 9%... That was even worse. So there's got to be a different solution for that one then. Yeah, I forgot that one was inaccurate. I think that should take care of the accuracy. Yep. I mean, it's not great on the timing, but at least the accuracy is good. It gives us a medal. It is. I'm reaching my limit, Duncan. I'm reaching my limit. Okay. We'll take a medal, but these are the best we can get on the hardware, the max we can get, so we need to refactor them. We weren't getting anywhere with those. Major Tom, okay. You hear me, Major Tom? Bing! This is Possibility Rover reporting from Mars. My circuit's dead. There's something wrong and I could only write one email to a random address. Please help me locate Earth on the photos of Mars sky I've made so I can learn to detect it and re-establish connection with my creators. They're worried sick. I won't be able to pay you with money though. There's no ATM here. Oh, and don't tell anyone I've gained consciousness. I did not. It's all an illusion. Computer sounds. Beep beep. That's fine. We will do it for free. That's a random forest. We don't want a random forest. We want an isolation of blue. Else. Split. I'm gonna add in another. Because that's all the thingies we can use. Yay! We got a thing for that. Ping! Ah, Pong. Excellent. Well, it cost us 197, but we did the Major Tom thing. So that was also, hi Duncan. Yeah. That was clearly the ping pong. It's a side mission called Major Tom. Okay, cool. I can put an achievement solution in for that one. Yeah. We're doing as many as we can. We're just gonna keep do one attempt because my brain is starting to fry. We got sort stuff, the postal company. No one likes it when their packages get sent somewhere else by mistake, or when you don't get post. Thanks a bunch, Royal Mail. You've lost 2 letters now. And one of them had photos in. Plus possibly other stuff. But yeah, they're really getting a bit shit. We want to reduce errors in sorting. That's okay. Okay. Well, let's, you know, train some shit. Okay. You. Through you. Through you. Red goes here. You go both here. And then circle goes here. And we don't have a trash. What are we supposed to do with the trash? Oh, great. It just got rid of one of my trains. Thanks. I wanted you to do that. Okay. Just because I wanted to drag the training things off. Hey, Scruff. Food discussion. Oh, you're gonna make me hungry. But yes. What did I run out of time? Oh. Okay, I guess we could put some of them in and see if that makes it. I am shit, I'll be honest. Nope, that makes it worse. That 9% is killing me. Anti-terror system. Okay. Sure, we will invest in the startup. No, it's just stupid medication side effects. Everything. Not something I need to talk about, it's just reality. So, yeah. What was going to be a lovely, relaxing 4-day weekend is basically great. I feel like absolute arse. Next question. Oh, at least it has a pre-trained thing there. Okay. I can't even process that right now, so we're just going to skip that. Let's see if we can do this, otherwise we'll stop for today. Learn English faster. Cool. Alright, neural network architecture. In neural nets, programmers use a vast range of different neurons. Inside each neuron, a math function is located. For example, Rosenblatt's neuron uses a linear function. Simple neural net, which can solve XOR problem, uses ReLU. These functions are called activators. For different tasks, people use different types of activators. To solve more complex issues, a combination of neurons with different activators is used. Cool. I think. At least you have a trash can this time. I don't understand why it didn't have a trash can. Okay, so. Red circle. Trash the planet. Green square. Trash. And I think it said we can have as many trash cans as we want. So we don't have lines all over the place. Yes. Alright. And then blue triangle, which is not currently connected. Oops. Oh. They weren't trained. Why are they being shit? Did I forget? I didn't put a thing in. Yeah, it helps if I remember to put the actual training thing in. Oh! Thank you. Luckily, it's just training it at the moment, but I will fix that before we finish. Thank you very much for pointing that out. Yes, I seem to have lost the triangle. Yeah, I think that just needs to get discarded, right? No, hang on. What is supposed to be going into here? Green square. Yes, I think I just grabbed the wrong triangle bit. Thank you very much, Duncan, for pointing that out. That could have been embarrassing. Boom. Okay. Ah, that's the end of that one then. There's only one more epoch. But if we do that, then we get an achievement, and we could just save the achievement. Oh, good. The achievement tracker thing's broken. All right, 17 out of 28. First victories. So, neural networks, deep neural nets. And it's the complete all tasks with the gold rating. Yeah, it's very easy to do because I'm using a paw. It's basically like grab with paw, and it's not 100% accurate, even though it does have a pointy claw. Yeah, so all tasks with the gold rating is what is going to be slightly problematic because it was relying on being able to improve the computers, and I've maxed them out. So, yeah. All items for the kitty, all interior items. I don't even know how to get a bank loan at this point. Or UPS. The cosplay one goes with the cataholic. And then I don't know, are you a cheater? Is that you got through the whole thing without buying anything and you just save money without investing? Possibly. So that's probably going to require a full new playthrough. They are all unlockable, which is great. I think Dan said people on TA had completed this, so let me just have a peek and see if anyone's put solutions in things. Probably not, because not many people do actually put solutions. Okay. Some people do, but not all people. While true, learn. I will put a guide in for the ping pong one just to say where it's supposed to go, and maybe I could possibly screenshot the solution. This will destroy you. No, there's no solutions. Scrooge is marked as missable. So it's all tasks with a gold rating marked as missable. Does it mean it's missable? Looks like UPS is something you could possibly buy. All tasks in the game? How can that be missable? I think this is possibly tagged a little wrongly. Ah, that would be because I submitted things and I possibly... I put some missable stuff on there. Yeah, it's like, oh, these tags might be wrong. It's like, yes, and that because I submitted them incorrectly. So I'll need to submit some updated things. Yeah. I guess it depends at the end whether you can go back and redo tasks. And what I have missed. I got 5 achievements today. Could just leave it here. Because then I've got an easy unlock there. One more thing. And yeah, but I think we're going to have to leave it until... leave the game again until my brain has stopped being stupid. Yeah. I've done what we can today. Did we look at that one? Dangerous asteroids. Okay, let's just have a quick look at the dangerous asteroids. Okay, well that one could be doable. Let's have a look. So we need... There's the train. Is there a trash? Good. Where is the trash? Just a scarred triangle, scarred blue, discard red, and train. Unless this one is a... yeah. That one can just skip right to there. Okay, I'm gonna have time. This needs load balancing. Because there's a lot in here. There we go. Alright, we've got one final gold. But yeah, we got stuck on all the other ones and we don't want to go onto the RNN. I don't know whether we have to do all the startups. We've invested in these, we should probably use them, but yeah. Anyway, save. I mean, our score is pretty good. I don't really know what half of that means. But yeah, anyway. Thanks. So, achievements we've not got. There's probably all the kitty cosplay stuff. Yeah, UPS. Don't buy the UPS? Buy the UPS? Did we buy a UPS? I don't know. Get a bank loan. We still don't know how to do that. No, that is the Scrooge one probably then. Yeah. Anyway. That's pretty good progress. Well, we're gonna leave it here for today. Thanks people for watching. If I'm back tomorrow, it'll probably be something that does not require a brain. Maybe finish off that power wash level we were doing. Just, you know, because not only are the clocks changing tomorrow, I don't think I have the brain for it, Jesse. So, yeah. Anyway, I've been Joe. Thanks for watching.